Showers on the increase this afternoon, and then a several-hour period of steady, heavier rain, I think, sometime between about 3:30 and 5:30 in the metro area. That front pushes southward, but the moisture doesn't just go along with it. The moisture stream aloft is still coming up and over that surface cold front, even as the front slips southward. So the door will open for colder air to come in at all levels of the atmosphere. Not cold enough to get the surface down to freezing. That's just not going to happen. But as these heavier precipitation rates fall over that colder atmosphere, the snow levels will lower. Okay? Snowflakes begin to melt as they get into that lowest 1,000 feet or so. But if the precipitation rates are heavy enough, that creates more melting. More melting takes heat out of the atmosphere and eventually more evaporation, which leads to more cooling. You follow all that? That process is called dynamic cooling, and that's what's in play here if we see a change over to snow in the valley. That's why we can go from 36 in rain to 35 in snow like that. It's not a slam dunk. In fact, it is not the most likely scenario, but it could happen. And if it does happen, it could be a pretty impactful couple of hours of travel in the higher terrain across the Portland metro area. And even snowflakes down to the valley floor are possible, but 500 to 1,000 feet. Remember, I-5 at Capitol Highway gets up over 500 feet. Highway 26 at the Sylvan Hill gets up over 600 feet. So those are areas that may or may not be in concern tonight. Whatever happens with that, we're quite certain that the bigger snowfall impacts are going to be in the Cascades and in the upper Hood River Valley.